Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Today's topic is strategy, meaning, and concept. As in the previous videos, we already started the playlist for the subject human resource management and also discuss various topics related to it like concept of personal management, concept of HRM, human resource management, concept of strategic management, and so on. So in today's video, we'll discuss about the topic strategy, meaning, and concept. So before started the video, I want to say that if you like my video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And you can also watch other videos. Links are provided in the description box. Now coming to the main topic, which is strategy, meaning, and concept. So what is the concept of strategy in the case of human resource manager? We'll discuss here. The term strategy is derived from the Greek word strategies, which means generalship, the leadership ability of a military general to direct his force. Strategy is a perspective, position, plan, and pattern. Strategy is the bridge between policy or high order goals on the one hand and tactics or concrete actions in a term that refers to a complex web of thoughts, ideas, insights, experience, goals, expertise, memories, perceptions, and expectations that provide general guidance for specific actions in pursuit of particular ends. So, strategy is basically related to the leadership ability of a military general to direct the force. It is a long term perspective, long term position, plan, or pattern for the betterment of the organization or society. It is a long term thought or policies, ideas, expertise, memories also. Even when we are embarking on a voyage of discovery with no particular destination in mind, the voyage has a purpose, an outcome, an end to be kept in view, that is a strategy. Henry Mintzberg, in his book The Rise and the Fall of Strategic Planning, published in 1994, points out that people use strategy in several different ways, the most common being these four. So, according to Henry Mintzberg, there are several ways to differentiate the strategy or to define the strategy, which are as follows, defined by Henry Mintzberg, which are: first one is strategy is a plan, a how, uh, a means of getting from here and there. Strategy is pattern in actions over time. For example, a company that regularly markets very expensive products is using a high end strategy. Strategy is position, that is, it reflects decisions to offer particular products or services in particular markets. Strategy is a perspective, that is, vision and direction. So, strategy may be a plan to getting things here and there. It is also the actions of pattern to show the direction for the company. It is a position that reflects decision to offer particular products or services in a particular market, and it is also a long-term perspective that shows the vision and direction of the organization. Further, Mintzberg argues that strategy emerges over time as intentions collide with and accommodate a changing reality. Thus, one might start with a pre-specify and conclude that it calls for a certain position which is to be achieved by way of a carefully crafted plan. With the eventual outcome and strategy reflected in a pattern evident in decisions and actions over time. This pattern in decisions and actions defines what Mintzberg called realized or emergent strategy. So Mintzberg has different ideas about this strategy. He shows strategy to intentions collide with the accommodation and changing quality. Thus, one might start with a pre-specified strategy according to the requirement with the crafted plan, eventually outcome, and also shows the decisions and actions over time. Thus, in the terms of business strategy, strategy is can be referred to as competitive motives, moves, business approaches to produce successful performance. Uh, so, strategy is management's game plan for running the business effectively. fortifying firm's competitive position, satisfying its customers and stakeholders, and achieving performance targets. So, in the terms of business strategy, strategy may be the move to and business approach to produce successful performance of for any organization. So, strategy is management game plan for running business effectively and move on growing up. It is a fortifying firm's competitive position also and satisfy the customers and stakeholders as well. It also helpful to achieve the performance targeted by the company or organization. The essence of the strategy is to build a position so strong that the organization will achieve its objectives no matter what unforeseeable forces attack it. It is important to remember that strategy should be established for a long run. Modifications are costly and difficult to make. Therefore, effective strategy should include several points like discussed in the upcoming slides. So, the strategy is very helpful to build the position for the organization, for the development of the organization, because modifications are very costly and difficult to make. So, strategy prepare a long run plan for the organization development. So, effective strategy should contain clear and critical objectives, maintain initiatives, have committed and coordinated leadership, involve correct and coordinated leadership, involve correct timing and actions, concentrate power at right time and place, make resources secure and prevent opponent. So, strategy is very should contain the features like contain clear objectives, critical objectives, and maintain the initiatives also for the organization. It coordinated the leadership among the organizations, involve correct timing and actions for the organization, and concentrate power also. So this is all about the concept of strategy and meaning of strategy. I again summarizes all the points so that you can easily understand about the topic. So what is the concept of a strategy? Strategy is derived from the Greek word strategis, which means generalship, leadership quality. For a military person, it is a long-term perspective, position, plan, and pattern. It bridges between policy and high-order goals of an organization. It is according to Mintzberg, Henry Mintzberg, as he published in his book Rise and Fall of Strategic Planning, he clearly out the several different ways of strategy, like it is a plan to do something here and there, it is a pattern of actions to show company regularly markets, it is a position that reflects decisions, and it is a perspective that shows vision and direction. Miswell argues a strategy about over the time collide and accommodate changing reality. It also shows the actions and decisions according to Mintzberg. Thus, a strategy is a management's game plan, running business effectively, fortifying someone's competitive position, satisfying its customers, and achieving performance targets. So, this is all about the concept of a strategy. If you have any query about this topic, or if you want to know about any other topic related to research methodology, business management, or human resource management, you can ask me through comment box. If you like my video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. We'll meet in the next video with new topic. Thank you everyone.